guys, so welcome to another episode of another motovlog series. Today we're gonna be going into NLEX for the first time with a motorcycle. It's gonna be my first time going into NLEX a motorcycle. So people often ask me if my motorcycle is Expressway legal because it's titled as the 390 and expressways are required to have at least 400cc motorcycles. They do allow naman to enter expressway, skyways because on paper I have a 400cc motorcycle. It's written on the ORCR I have 400cc motorcycle, not 390. Lord. Finally at NLEX, daming nahulog na barya doon. Kulit eh, daming hulog na. Okay, so we're gonna be exiting Shell Santa Elena ba? And ayun, dami pa rin family dito, mga mag-outing, mga van. Lalim, look at this. Gagamit yung city driving. Guys, we're going back home now from San Fernando, Pampanga. Yeah, just a quick vlog today. Just wanna show you guys what it's like to ride a motorcycle on NLEX for those who haven't tried it yet. May 8:28 pa ako. Saan galing yun? Siya para lang umuwi sa akin. Hope you guys enjoyed today's mini vlog. I mean, just an experience of me going to and from NLEX. And yeah, it's a normal day, a normal busy day for me. Hit like and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos.